So the other day we took out the double bed from this room so that I could have those desks over there to allow me to start creating things, which is fabulous. But, so there's the mattress that was on the bed. But as you can see, my room is currently a mess because I also bought a new rug so that my chair wouldn't wreck the carpet. And the tools are here just holding down the rug so that it flattens out. There you go. But what the problem is that I have now is that I've got all these tools but nowhere to really put them. So I need a shelf for the corner over there. So that's today's project. You're getting the hang of it. Yeah. Lots of potatoes. There's another one. Chapter 10, Secrets and Lies. I think that's looking pretty good. All my little tools on there. So hopefully I can start creating stuff again. Yay!